Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be going over the metering mode settings on the Sony a6000. This is going to be super quick and easy, so let's just get right into it. So to find the metering mode setting, you're just going to hit the FN button on the back of the camera, and then it's going to be right down here, the second item in the bottom row. Open that up and you can see the three different metering settings. So first up we have the multi-metering mode. This is most likely the most common mode you're going to use on your Sony a6000 and pretty much any camera. What it does is it just looks at the entire scene and it tries to get even lighting, so to speak, across the entire scene. In 99% of situations, this is going to be the mode you're going to use. And then next up we have center metering mode. What this does is it pretty much looks at, like it says, the center of the image, and then it meters based off of that. This is usually useful for like center focus subjects like portraiture or something like that. Though you do run the risk of over or underexposing the edges of the frame because it's mostly focusing on just the center. And then finally, the last mode we have is spot metering mode. Honestly, it does pretty much the same thing as center metering mode, except it puts even more emphasis on the center of the frame. This is extremely niche, and in most situations you'll end up vastly underexposing or overexposing the rest of the image. So I'd suggest not using it in most cases. So like I said at the beginning, you're pretty much going to use the multi-metering mode 99% of the time. You should know what the others do, but if you just keep your camera on multi mode every single time you shoot, you're not going to have any issues. That being said, sometimes the automatic metering of the camera can mess up, and for that reason I would encourage you to do your best to learn how to control the camera manually, aperture, ISO, and shutter speed. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you want to see more like this, click on the channel. I've got actually an entire playlist of a6000 focus guides that will teach you honestly pretty much anything you need to know about this camera. But yeah, if you like this video, like and consider subscribing. Thank you so much, guys, and have a great day.